So guys, now let's see how to create an image using Python. Okay, basically by default you will create an image of a constant color, then you can add some text over there by using the image fonts, and we will see that later on. But in this video we will see how to create a basic image. Okay, so we obviously need to import the image from Peel. So from Peel import image. Okay, and now let's just make a size of that image. So size can be like obviously size will contain the width and height, so I'll just write width comma height. Okay, and that will be equals to, you can just write any kind of sizes. For example, I'll just write 400 by 300. The width is 400 and the height is 300, and these all are in pixel. So these are not in centimeter or inches, these are in pixels. Okay, and now let's just create a new image. So I'll just make one variable called I. Okay, or im, that will be image. Okay, and then we need to use the image module, and then it has a function called new. Okay, so this one. And now inside the parentheses we obviously need to pass the size, but before that we also need to pass some colors. There are many color formats like RGB, RGBA, then LRGB, then we have CMYK, that is like cyan, magenta, I don't know, yellow and black maybe, and then YCBCR, then I, then F. There are so many color format, but basically the most famous one is RGB and RGBA and CMYK. These are like the famous one. So I'll just use RGB for now. Okay, but later on we'll see how to use RGBA. Okay, and now let's just pass the size. So the size will be inside the size variable, but you can just directly write over here as well using tuples. So I just pass the size variable, and now you can also pass some colors, like in what color the image will be. Okay, but I'll just first of all show you that what is the default color, then we will change the color. Okay, so im.show, that's it. Now if I just run this Python, the file name is new, yeah, that one. And now if I run it, so you can see it opened 400 by 300 image, and the default color is black. So now if I just close this one and let's just write over here white. Okay, that means now it will be in white color. So now if I run it again, so you can see now it is in white color. So in this way you can create an image. You can also pass over here some hex code. So yeah, for example, I'll just write 000 6 times 0. That means if you know hex code, it is a black color, right? So now if I run it, so yeah, it is a black color, so it's working fine. And then we can also pass some RGB colors over here. So you just need to write RGB, and then inside the parentheses you can just write the values for RGB. So the first one will be for red, then green, then blue. Okay, so I'll just write 205 comma 100 comma 200. Okay, now if I run it, I don't know the color. Okay, there is some error. The RGB is not defined. Maybe I need to write this inside the quotation. Okay, now if I run it, so you can see, yeah, it's working. So this is the color you will get when you write this 205 in red, 100 in green, and 200 in blue. Okay, and then we can also write the HSL. Okay, HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. So the first one will be let me just change it with HSL, and the first one will be the value. The highest value is like 240, where like 240 means like it is blue color, 120 means it's green, and 0 means it's red. Okay, so I'll just write over here 150, which means it's kind of greenish color, and then the rest two will be percentage. Okay, so the second one will be saturation. So if I just write 100, it will not work because saturation calculate using percentage. So you have to write 100 percent. Okay, and the third one will also be in percentage because this is of lightness. So if you just use 0%, that means the lightness will be so less that it will be black, and if you write 100%, then the light will be so high that the image will be in white, and if you write around 50%, that means it will be in the balancing position, so the lightness is not too high, not too less, and it will show exact this 150 value of like greenish something color. So now if I run it, so yeah, you can see it is kind of a greenish color. Similarly, if you just write over 240, that means then it will be something like blue color. Okay, so now if I run it, so you can see it is a blue color. So in this way you can create an image using this new method. Okay.